Is your Wati account suspended, leaving your customer communication in limbo, and you're desperately searching for answers? Let's dive into the most common reasons why Wati accounts face the dreaded suspension, so you can keep your business running smoothly, starting with understanding that Wati operates within WhatsApp's stringent policies, so violations there are the primary cause. Sending unsolicited promotional messages, excessively broadcasting messages, or using Wati to engage in marketing activities without proper opt-in from your customers will get you flagged and quickly suspended, so always get consent. Sharing content that violates WhatsApp's commerce policy, such as hate speech, threats, or illegal product promotions could result in immediate suspension because WhatsApp prioritizes user safety and ethical communication. Make sure that you have clear opt-in methods visible on your website and within your communication flows with checkboxes where users can actively choose to receive messages. This is solid proof of your compliance. If you find your account suspended, immediately contact Wati support or WhatsApp support, provide the required information, and respectfully request a review of your account standing. To avoid suspensions, ensure you have explicit consent. Regularly review WhatsApp's policies and use Wati responsibly. You got this.